Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you two simple methods using which you can take clean print of any web page. In the first method, simply copy the URL of the web page, then open Microsoft Edge browser, paste the copied URL. Now in the top right hand corner, click on these three dots and select Immersive Reader. Now wait for the page to load properly. Then click on these three dots and click on print. And finally click on save from here. And save the file as PDF. And done. You will have a clean web page printed in PDF without any ads or clutter. In the next method, go to this web page printfriendly.com. Then copy the web page URL. Go to printfriendly.com and paste the copied URL here and click on preview. Here you will get three options: print, PDF and email. Simply click on the PDF icon. Select the page size, either A4 or letter, and click on download your PDF. That's it, the job is done. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.